World War II began in 1939 and engulfed nations around the globe, reshaping political boundaries and societal structures. It saw unprecedented military strategies, including the use of tanks and aircraft as battles raged across Europe, Asia, and beyond. The conflict led to the rise and fall of empires as countries formed alliances like the Allies and Axis powers. Millions of lives were lost and cities turned to rubble, leaving an indelible mark on human history. By 1945, the war concluded with the defeat of the Axis powers, leading to the establishment of the United Nations, aimed at preventing future conflicts. The aftermath forged new alliances and set the stage for the Cold War, forever changing international relations. The Nuremberg trials marked a historic effort to hold individuals accountable for atrocities committed during the war. As nations rebuilt, a spirit of resilience emerged, leading to advancements in technology, culture, and a commitment to peace.